This video covers the next steps to take in order to join the Phi Theta Kappa International Society and get involved with our chapter. To accept membership, there is a one-time fee of $80, and you go to the International Organization website at ptk.org and click on Join. Enter the email address that is registered with the college and verify just a little bit of personal information, and then pay with a credit or debit card. If you didn't get your email from the International Organization, which also gives these same instructions and which comes to the membership or comes to the email on file, let us know. You can then fill out the Induction RSVP form, which is a Google form which is linked in Canvas and from our webpage. Or if you are becoming a provisional member, there is also a provisional member form linked from Canvas and from our webpage. Then you can get involved by finding us on campus, either at our office or our individual faculty offices. By joining the Canvas space, if you haven't already, for Phi Theta Kappa, which will put all of our events on your Canvas calendar, and we'll have plenty of information, more than you can probably absorb, in the modules in the Canvas space. You can also join our various social media outlets. Our meetings, which are not mandatory, are every Thursday at 2:30. They're usually followed by some social time. At the meetings, we do activities, we do some events, we plan projects, there's various announcements. It is a business meeting, but there's also a social aspect. If you are not sure about joining, or you're short of money right now and can't pay the membership fee for a few weeks, don't worry about that. You can participate right away and join later in the semester. On the email that you received, there is an expiration date. You do have to join before that date, or you have to qualify in the next semester. And we can't adjust that end date. But the date is towards the end of the semester, so you have several weeks to participate and to make sure that you think it's worthwhile. We hope that you'll choose to join Phi Theta Kappa and make us part of your experience at MCC. Thank you.